Hi there and welcome to the Tech Doctor Network, a YouTube channel designed to help you feel comfortable using your technology and get the most out of it. I'm Mark, your host, and I have a passion for technology and a knack for explaining it in a way that anyone can understand. After years of being told that I should be a teacher, I finally found my classroom, YouTube. I have over 3 decades of experience in a really broad range of IT related fields, and I'm here to share it with you. I've worked for a university, a TV station, as a writer for 2 computer magazines, worked in primary and secondary schools, for the state government, owned my own home and small business IT support company, as well as a variety of other businesses. The Tech Doctor is here to take you by the hand, be your guide, and help you every step of the way as you master the tech in your life. Thank you so much for watching. If you have a question to ask, please comment on one of my recent videos. Send me an email to ask@techdoctor.com.au or follow one of my social links. You're seeing this video because you're not subscribed to the channel, so please click the subscribe button at the end to get notifications of new episodes as they're posted. You never know, it might be your question I'm answering.